sit, so I'm sitting up front. Or do you want to sit over?
No, baby, you do it.
You get the keys to Jeremy. But I'm not responsible.
3 miles, but you'll have more room.
He probably signed you up.
Alright.
Give me one of those lines.
We're headed to Central.
So you're in Central.
Oh, I am in Central.
No, we're going
stairs. There's stairs straight back that bring you where they're like drifting and everything.
No, that's not. Where are we going?
No, we went to Central Hall.
Yeah, North Hall is upstairs.
What's the other locations here? We're here.
West?
This is Central, West, and South.
South. Let's do south.
So South would be on this side, any one of these lines.
Okay. Come on, let's do south.
You can just ride it and ride it back if you want to.
Watch yourself, bro. Watch yourself.
You're riding in the front?
Here, you want to go? Okay, I'll go. All right, let's do this.
Alright, where are we headed off to?
Wherever you want to go.
Wherever I want to go.
We might even do a round trip.
If you want to do a round trip, better for me.
All right, let's do it. There we go. So, this is your, is this a 3?
Model Y.
Model Y we're in.
Yep.
So this is your normal screen you get, and this is an extra screen you guys have, right?
Yep, this is just to make sure where I'm parking right, where I'm going.
Okay.
You know, pretty much making sure I don't escape.
Yeah. So, because these aren't your vehicles, right? These all belong to Tesla?
Correct.
Okay. So let's go here into the purple tunnel.
Mr. Toad's Wild Ride.
First time in a tunnel?
Oh, I got
No. We just didn't record it, so.
Just don't try to do a flip in here, okay?
I'll try
If you go
not
fast
to.
enough, you can ride on the ceiling.
Yeah, well, I'll leave that for the pros.
So what's the story here?
Of why we created the tunnels?
Yes.
You been to LA?
Yeah. Unfortunately.
You know their traffic?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're trying to combat that.
Yeah. In Vegas, it's worse.
Oh, trust me.
Yeah.
So, alternative, we built this, so now eventually anyone with a Tesla will be able to come down here, autopilot, and just go from point A to point B without, not as much traffic.
So this is just proof of concept that it could be done, and just showing how convenient it is here.
Yes, it's pretty much
show.
Currently showing Clark County for Nevada, Las Vegas, that our tunnels are safe and they're not going to, kill anybody or, have many accidents.
Yeah.
And so this is pretty much just proving that. And eventually I won't be sitting here and the cars will just drive themselves. You guys said a full loop, right?
Yeah,
so you guys see
absolutely.
everything?
Yeah.
Awesome, yeah.
So are these solar panels charging up something here?
Eventually they will.
Okay.
But currently they're just
LVCC station.
Yep. And that's actually
That's
actual
the drill
drill.
bit?
Yep.
Yeah. Very cool.
How many miles is this one?
I'm honestly not sure, but I've been here since 6 a.m. and I'm currently only at 79, so and it's non-stop driving, and every time somebody tells me to hit it hard, I will.
Oh, hit it hard, hit it hard.
Every single time. All right.
Go hard.
Alright, should be coming up in a straight line real quick.
I like the light action in here.
Yeah, if someone gets really sparked up and goes on this ride.
It's pretty much just a free amusement park for everyone.
Yeah.
Alright, so this would pretty much be back to the central, and the next one would be the west wing of everything.
West. Okay, are we gonna get out here at Central, guys? Or are we going the full? Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
You said the loop.
Yeah, let's do it. Woo! So for people to use this in the future, they have to have Teslas?
Pretty much, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Because there's no air holes, guess you could say. So anyone with a gas-powered car will just kind of
I can
suffocate.
hear there is a, you know.
That's what I like about this. Is all made in America. This, you know, Tesla is an American car, boring company. It's all American, right? Well, I don't know about the machinery. Some of the heavy machinery is probably getting made somewhere.
I'm
Teleplex
not
probably
sure
made
about
here.
the machinery exactly.
Yeah.
So do you guys want me to take you guys back to Central? Or do you guys
Yeah,
want
are we
me
going back
back
to
up
Central,
here?
guys?
Yeah, let's go
Yeah,
back
let's
to
do it.
Central.
We're enjoying the AC.
Cool.
And getting to rest our feet.
Yeah. Actually, just, you know, here's what we should do. We should just drive up and down for the rest of the day. When do you get off, man?
I get off at 8.
So if we wanted to just drive up and down until 8, can we do that?
I definitely can. I would have an excuse. I'll be like, the customer wanted me to go all day.
Can we order a pizza
I
and
couldn't
stop
say
halfway?
no.
Yeah, can we get some Uber Eats or something?
Yeah, if they drop it off, we'll gladly just keep driving in circles eating some pizza.
Yeah. No, after this, we'll get out of here, but
Alright.
this is fun. Have you had a chance to see the show? Check out any of the cars?
Unfortunately not, but I did get to see a few cars that were parked before they put them on stage. I saw a nice little Koenigsegg
Oh, okay.
and a few Chirons.
Oh, okay.
But,
So now, why do these walls look like this in here? Do you know?
why they're painted?
Yeah, or why do they look? They look like rock. Is that the rock that's
They made it
underneath?
look like
Yes,
that.
that's the rock, and then you just put a few beams in there for support,
Okay.
just for safety. Other than that, that's pretty much plain rock.
So there's a thick layer of rock under Las Vegas.
Yeah, pretty
Okay.
much. Except for I think there's like one casino that's under like sand or something like crazy.
The liners, this liner you see goes in as they dig the tunnel,
Mm-hmm.
supporting the
Yeah.
they dug.
So it's like digging and laying these out as it's going along.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then you see this pole that's going throughout the entire thing.
Mm-hmm.
It's actually for LTE. So
Ah.
you see here.
Oh,
you'll
full
be able-
LTE.
Yep, you'll be able to get your calls and all that good stuff.
Oh man.
While underground.
We need that through all of America.
Ain't that the truth?
Yeah, you know. We've got a Model Y.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah. So we're kind of fans. Look at this Tesla right here. It has a
Handicap
cargo
rack
thing on the
chair.
back.
Yep,
Yeah.
That's specifically for anyone who has a
Who
wheelchair.
has a wheelchair
that Model
thing.
X has the hitch in the back.
Okay, very cool.
Alright.
Thank you so much. We appreciate this.
Yeah, of course, anytime.
Awesome. See ya. Thank you.
Take care.